the cracks in my old wooden floor. I hear whispers from a time before, echoes of dreams that once were bright, fading softly in the still of night. With every breeze that sweeps my hair, I feel the ghost of love's despair, haunted by what we used to be. In the corners of my memory, I close my eyes and see your face in the shadows of a distant place. Whispers in the wind, they call your name, but nothing ever feels the same. In the starlight where we once belonged, I write the words to our lost song. Ink and paper can't hide the tears of heartaches gathered through the years. Silent streets where we used to run, now I walk alone with no one. Every step reminds me of you, and the days when love was new. I close my eyes and see your face in the shadows of a distant place. You're the ghost of you and me, a love that lingers in the autumn breeze. Every whisper in the trees sings the song of what we used to be. You're gone but you're not through, 'cause my heart still dreams in shades of you. I still hear your footsteps on the old wood floor, but maybe they don't haunt me anymore. I still hear your footsteps on the old wood floor, but maybe they don't haunt me anymore. I still hear your footsteps on the old wood floor, but maybe they don't haunt me anymore. I still hear your footsteps on the old wood floor.